pictures kami, oh. Please, buhatin mo to. Layo mo naman. Ah, okay, okay. Cheers! Si Brisis ay Actually, si Brisis is very near here in SM Marilao. Because Brisis is in Marilao. I'm Santa Maria, so just one. Yes. That's why we've been here because of Brisis, no? Because we want Brisis will come. Oh, kasi nga, Ate Orbes, alam naman natin yung kalagayan niya na may binabantayan siya kapatid. So, mas maganda dito kami. Kami yung mga lalapit na lang sa kanya. Kuya Picoy is far, no? Medyo malayo dito. Sis Als Mika! Sis Als! Ayan, nakita ko dito si Brisis Als. Als Mika. Nakita kami ni Brisis, Kuya Pipoy, ayan. Nakikita ko sila. We're going to have the photo. Nag-ano kami guys, taking a photo guys. Ah, diba? May waki-waki pa kami guys. Eggs and bricks. Oo, nag-photo-photo kami, diba? Oh, ano na? Bayaran mo na, Mr. Ingwang. Mr. Ingwang, you need to pay now. It's all finished. Look, no more. No more, Mr. Ingwang. Please pay now. Give me your Visa card, please. Your Visa card, Mr. Ingwang, is needed. Come on, Mr. Ingwang. Finish all. Finish all, Mr. Ingwang. And we need to pay. You pay now, please. Come on.